Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to collect all the 10 stickers in NBA 2K27 Sneak Peek Quest. Make sure to pause the video if you didn't understand. Alright, so, you need to find all 10 stickers. We will move clockwise in this room, starting from the left. Here you will find the first sticker at the center row, just below the 3 watermelons. Just turn it around and there we have it. Now move to the right-hand side. Second sticker is between W155 sign. Third sticker is on the black banner. Make sure to check my cursor. Now turn to the left and pick the first poster protein packet and turn it around. You will find your fourth sticker. Now go back and see the blood red color banner hanging at top that says tune in August 18th. In front of it, you'll find the fifth sticker. Now, just go to the counter. Scroll up, on the green soda in pink pamphlet, you'll find the 6th sticker. On the box, you will find the 7th sticker. Next to the cash machine, pick the robot toy, turn it around to find the 8th sticker. Now, behind the red candy machine, there's the 9th sticker. Now move to your right-hand side and go to the meat counter. On the red apron, there's the 10th sticker. So there we have it, and that's how you get all the 10 stickers. You can easily get 700 orbs from this. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful.